Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is SUNMI Yi, and geez, it's been so long since I last filmed. Like I said before, I was suffering from some ulcers and it literally took me 2 weeks to finally feel like I'm recovered enough and I can eat whatever I want and not take any medication for it. So I'm really excited to be here, and not to mention, I finally did get my fabfitfun box. This one's a little bit bigger because it does come with my quarterly subscription and also the few items that I put into my add-on box. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is the box. Let me get rid of this one. To be honest with you, it is a fall box, but I'm not really it's not really pretty. I really love the summer box and I thought that was very pretty. There's a booklet that comes with each box, and then some little description. I don't know, I'm not really going to spend so much time on this. It's a pretty little sticker. It seems like they have one specifically made for each season. The first item is Skin and Company Roma Blue in Capri Shower Gel. Okay, just a shower gel. It's kind of pretty. It reminds me of like something herbal and very medicine-y, but that's fine. I think that's really neat. Can't have too much of the shower gels. That's one of those things that you do run out eventually. And then the second item is Luna Rica Cashew Butter Filled Fruit and Nut Bar. It's salted caramel nut. I'm not sure if I will like this, but I'm definitely going to try it. It's always nice to have little snacks laying around, especially at your work, because you know you don't want to run down to the nearest vending machine. They don't necessarily have all the healthy items, so this I'm going to take with me to work. Okay, the next item is, this is one of the items that I was able to pick. It's the Cobra Bluetooth earbuds. I'm not going to open this up. And the next one is the Beauty Blender, original Beauty Blender. I've never really tried the actual Beauty Blender, so I'm kind of curious to how this is going to work. The next item is, oh yeah, the Grown Alchemist. This is another one that I picked too. This is the Hydrate Repair Day Cream. I think it has SPF. Not really sure. The box is really simple. It's a very minimalistic box. I'll look into that. Maybe I'll go ahead and open it because I'm curious about this brand. They're also sold at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's. It's a very small bottle. It kind of reminds me of something that you would pick up at like Lowe's or, you know, Home Depot. It kind of has that feeling. This feels like it's made of, it's like a tube. So some kind of medication slash like a tube of stuff that you use in the bathroom for caulking and stuff. So the next two are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Hydrogenating Deep Cleanse Mask, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and it has green tea leaf, so it's probably going to hydrate and also get rid of like puffiness, because I do suffer from the puffiness and around my eye area. So the next one is a Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. It looks kind of cheap, but I guess you can never have too many of these towels. I wish it was something more brighter in color because this just really looks boring to me. The next one is the, ooh, this thing is really heavy. It's the Yoga Detox Bath. This is another item that I was able to pick as well. Like I told you before, I try to take baths like every 2 weeks just to kind of like, you know, relax my muscles and to also exfoliate skin. So I'm really excited about using this one. The next one, ew, this one's pretty big. Oh yeah. So I thought this was another bath towel, but it's actually the bag that I was able to pick. And this one is by Vince Canuto. I want to see how big it is. It does seem like you can fit a laptop in there. And I seem to carry a little notebook that I put, you know, my to-do list and just some papers that I need to keep. Like, for example, like car vehicle registrations and whatnot. So it feels like it's going to fit all that. It does definitely have a vegan leather smell to it. Oh yeah, it looks pretty cute. I'll definitely be using this. I love the way it looks, and it'll be perfect for the fall and winter season. So I'm really excited about this one. I will be definitely using it and carrying it to work. The last item is the French press coffee maker. I had a really hard time choosing between this one and the Alfred teapot, only because I felt like I want to drink more tea, but I also really love coffee. So I mostly got this for traveling reasons because you always can have access to boiling water. It's just that I wanted the teapot because I thought I could boil water in it, but just because you don't know the temperatures that some of these teapots can hold, I think they're mostly used for putting in boiling water, but not necessarily boiling water in them. So I ended up getting the French press because we don't have one at home, and definitely something that I can use when I'm traveling. So that's it for now for my box. I'm gonna go quickly over the items that I put in my add-on box, and these I'm equally as excited even though I knew what I was getting. The items that I added were the two of the Grown Alchemist. One is a moisturizer, and then the other one is a gel mask. And this one actually had a really good rating, I believe, on Nordstrom or Bloomingdale. I forget which one. So I ended up picking this one, and let me go ahead and open it. I believe it's also the tube method. Okay, it is the same tube method. And it looks very similar to the other one that I did receive through the FabFitFun box. And then the other one is a mask. You never have enough masks. And the other two is by Karen G, Dr. Karen Grossman. One is a retinol renewing serum. I've been using this retinol cream that you can buy over the counter. It's actually for acne. And you can buy them, I forget the name of the brand now, but you can also buy them at Target, Ulta. You can pretty much buy it at any grocery stores. And then the other one is the Karen G Replenishing Cleanser. I don't know if I really ordered this because I don't remember buying a cleanser. But anyways, these are the items. You know what? I'm going to go back and see because I don't think I bought this one. So here's the packing slip that came with it. It shows that for Karen G, I got the broad spectrum SPF 50. So that is the item that I ordered, but I got the cleansing cream, the replenishing cleanser instead. And I did get the Karen G Retinol Renewal Serum, so that's correct. And then the other two items are the Grown Alchemist. They ended up sending me the wrong one. So I'm definitely going to be contacting them because there is a checkoff for the items, whoever did it, and they did not give me the right items. So quickly, what do I think about this box that I just received? The items that I am really excited about trying is definitely the Vince Camuto vegan leather bag. I'll be using this for sure. Definitely excited about the detox bath. I'm excited about the Glam Glow bubble sheets. I think this is something that would be really fun to do with a friend. And I think that's about it. I think everything else that I received in the box, I'm kind of like, you know, I could have lived without. For example, this was probably the better one. The earbuds were better than the umbrella because it doesn't barely rain here, and I already have 2 or 3 umbrellas that I don't even use. So I'm not really excited about that. The Beauty Blender, I definitely don't have this one in particular, but I have the knockoff version, so I'm not really thrilled about this. Definitely not really thrilled about using this kitchen towel, this cheap looking thing. I think this was just a throwaway item just to fill up the box, so I'm not really excited about that. The salted caramel, whatever, this also seems like an extra edition, something that they added. I'm not really excited about it. Definitely excited about the Grown Alchemist as a brand. I've never tried this brand, so I'm really excited about this one. Kind of disappointed that they sent me the wrong Karen G. Of course, you know, you can't expect to be excited about all the items that they do send you, and you can't expect to use everything that they send you as well. Let me know what you guys think of this. Comment down below. And what are you most excited about from the box that I just received? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully I will be filming a lot more often now that I feel better now. Have a good weekend and see you guys next time. Bye, guys.